there, this is Deborah, and as you can see from the title, I'm going to be making some Detox activated charcoal soap with bentonite clay. Now I have here the activated charcoal. This is a virgin carbon hardwood charcoal. Also, I'm going to be using some bentonite clay. Now I will put in the description area what all these products are good for and how they work fantastic for the skin. I'm also going to be using some sandalwood powder, and this stuff works amazing in soap. I'm going to be using some rosemary essential oil. I'm also going to be using some lavender 4042. I really love the lavender 4042. It really gives it a nice smell to it. I'm also using some firm needle essential oil. This is a certified 100% pure firm essential oil, firm needle rather. I'm also doing the heat transfer method. Now I'm sure you've seen me in all my videos so far. I've been doing the heat transfer method. I haven't switched back over. I really love doing the heat transfer method. And what that means is you don't have to have your lye solution and your oils and butters at the same temperature. You can just go ahead and pour over your lye hot solution over into your butters, unmelted butters and oils. As you can see, the steam is just, it's pretty hot. I have been master batching my oils and butters for a little while. Now I haven't started master batching the lye yet, but perhaps I will later. But I really like this, doing it this way. It just kind of works out really good. Now it takes about 5 to 7 minutes for the lye to melt the butters and the oils. Now I've speeded up this video, but I will come back in and out of the video. I hope you stick around to watch it to the end. Thank you so much. Okay, now I have this batch separated from the activated charcoal. As you can see, I add the last bit of the essential blended oils in here. All those oils are all mixed together. Now I'm going to add the bentonite clay and the sandalwood, as you can see, over into this container here of the soap. Now I want to keep them separate because I really wanted the activated charcoal to have that really rich black look to it, just like the charcoal itself. Now I'm going to lighten this one up a little bit because I'm going to use this one, pour this in and attempt to make a swirl. Now if I do get glycerin rivers, which a lot of soapers don't like glycerin rivers, if I do get glycerin rivers for this one, it's going to be really cool because I really like that for what I'm doing. So we shall see how this all works out. Okay, so what I'm doing right now is I'm going to go ahead and I hope this swirls. I really do. I hope it has a nice swirl to it, but I won't know until after you cut it. Let's see here. I'm going to pour this a little high. Hopefully to get down into the bottom because I know the activated charcoal is pretty thick there. Although everything is pretty fluent, so it should be great. Everything should work out really good. So hang on, I will be back. I'm just going to attempt to give it a swirl. I don't really have a format here what I'm doing. I'm just swirling. I kind of got in my mind a little bit what it would look like, but to be honest, I don't know. We'll see. I just hope it comes out nice. A little mess here, but it's easy to clean up. Okay, so now I will be coming back to add some let's see, what am I doing here? I'm going to be piping some soap on it, or just maybe not. I'm just probably going to add some soap on the top, but I'm going to let the soap get a little bit harder. As you can see, I let it sit for a while and got kind of stiff. So I'm not going to pipe this in. As you can see, I'm just going to go ahead and add it in here and make a few little heels on the soap. And then you will see what I'm going to do next. So I hope you're still following along with me. I hope you're still here. Don't leave me now. Stick around. Okay. Okay, what I have done here is I have added some sea salt, some really coarse sea salt with some gold mica. And as you can see, this is just so gorgeous. Now I've made this soap before, but not with the Bentonite Clay and not with all of the essential oils. And I call it Black Hill Gold because that's what it reminds me of, Black Hill Gold. But for this one, it's just activated Detox activated charcoal soap with Bentonite Clay. But if you check back at some of my old videos, which I will have that one, as you can see, posted up above, so you can always check it out how I did last year with this. Oh, this is really nice and beautiful. Hopefully the activated charcoal will stay with that nice rich black look to it. I think it's going to lighten up just a little bit, but hopefully if it still stay with that nice rich look, it's going to be so pretty. This is so gorgeous. I really like making this one. I know with activated charcoal soap you just make it plain, but no, not me. I really like to make it really special for my customers. I have some orders for this already, and they liked it just like the one last year. Now I am cutting this, and I'm going to cut it pretty fast. I'm not going to spend too much time. I'm only going to cut one, so you can see I've speeded it up a little bit. So hopefully I will show you some of the swirls. There we go. I do have some glycerin rivers, but I thought it came out pretty good. Now this is a thick bar. I kind of cut it thick because I really wanted it to be a big, rich bar of soap. That's going to last you a long time. Yeah. I'm not disappointed with the swirls. I'm really happy that I got the swirls that I got with, with the Bentonite Clay. But it did work out marvelous. So this is a really beautiful soap, and hopefully whoever buy it, it'll be a winner for your skin. Hopefully your skin will love this soap. Thank you so much. Bye now. Have an awesome and a blessed day. Thank you for sticking around with me. Bye-bye now.